Verosoft Design is the ISV division of AD&M Group.
AD&M is a Tier 1 CSP provider, as well as a Microsoft Gold partner.
Early in our 18 years history, it was clear to us that there was a demand for an ERP-embedded CMMS for larger SMBs and enterprise customers.
An IoT and AI implementation is complicated, expensive, and a time-consuming endeavor. The current trend for the maintenance companies in industry right now are to use classic CMMS and enterprise asset management. This approach is limited to default preventive maintenance based on equipment lifecycle, manufacturer specification, which is extremely time-consuming, costly, and ineffective.
TAG, or the Asset Guardian, is built/embedded on the Microsoft Dynamics Business Central platform.
We are now proud to say that we can offer IoT in a software as a service, reducing implementation time and cost.
Using Microsoft's Azure IoT Hub technology, we're able to synchronize real-time data from customers' equipment from TAG to the Azure environment.
Instead of having to do a periodic checkup and react when a problems occur, TAG IoT triggers the EAM automated maintenance process when the system notices a problem.
TAG is also leveraging other Microsoft Azure services such as IoT telemetry to consume large amounts of data towards Azure services such as Cosmos DB, Data Factory, and Power BI. We also use Azure Machine Learning Studio to build, develop, and test our predictive models within the Azure environment.
Deep analysis of the IoT matrix with a machine learning preventive model allows TAG to predict equipment failures before it even happens. This prediction syncs to our complete enterprise asset management software, auto-generate work orders, and also suggests optimizations.
In TAG IoT, we're also using Azure Maps as well as Bing API calls directly into our product. This benefits the customer by adding geolocation services to the product wherever they are.
EEE, when I acquired it, has been doing business the same way since it started in 1993. We did not have an asset management system before we started with TAG, and I would say it's a fundamental shift for us to switch from doing facility-based, interval-based management and moving it and focusing on equipment.
Having an enterprise asset management software powered by IoT and AI built in your ERP, triggering the business process on the go, is the real power.
Being a Microsoft Gold partner, as well as a CSP Tier 1 provider, we've worked with Microsoft to secure a tight network of engineers to help us innovate our products over the years. Microsoft has also been involved with us in terms of promoting and co-selling our products through social media, the Microsoft Partner Network, and the cloud service provider environments.
IoT will change the way we drive our business and interact with our customers.